This video will introduce the replacement of focusing lines of SENFENG handheld laser welder. Always remember to wear the appropriate personal safety protection. If for any reason you do not understand, contact SENFENG after-sales service via email or WhatsApp before you proceed. Loosen the screws and remove the cover plate. Take a screw and attach it to the focusing lines drawer. Pull out the drawer or cover it with masking tape to keep it shut. Rotate and remove the compression ring and replace the focusing lines. After replacement, install the compression ring and quickly install the drawer back into the focusing lines compartment. Remove the screws, put the cover on, and tighten the screws. The focusing lines has been replaced.